Seedance 2 4K is finally available. Today, Kai combined Blender and Seedance 2 to see what happens. Let us check out the results.
Seedance 4K is finally here, and they claim the quality and physics are on an entirely new level. Within just the first few hours of release, creators are already testing it out and publishing absolutely stunning results. Only hours later, Higgsfield started a new series using Seedance, and we are already waiting for the next episode. Today, I'm testing this feature with Blender to see if we can make great-looking animations without spending a lot of money. You might ask, why use this method? Well, if we predefine complex scenes, like a fight scene, using a free tool like Blender, we can stop Seedance from burning through our credits on bad takes with broken physics. Plus, it gives us way more control over every single movement, resulting in much more professional work. If you want to see more advanced AI animation using Blender, let me know in the comments and I will make a guide for you. Your comments really help the channel grow. For this video, I'm using Higgsfield for Seedance 4K model. Because AI models change so quickly, using a multi-model platform saves you from buying a separate subscription for every single website. You can also watch their new series right on the platform as well, but let's see how Seedance 4K actually performs. The platform is incredibly user-friendly. Simply head over to the Video tab and select Seedance. It's actually really simple. There are no new settings or options to mess with. Only the quality has changed. But the difference is absolutely massive. If you remember our previous video on MCP, I actually recreated those exact same scenes using the new 4K model, and the side-by-side difference is just crazy. I think you can already see the difference, right? All of those physical flaws and glitches are completely gone. Now, watch this one carefully, and then compare it to the next clip. You'll see the difference immediately. All right. Now let's move on to the Blender section. Sound good? The whole idea hit me right after watching incredible quality get completely ruined by physics glitches, something you just can't prevent with prompting alone, and it burns through your credits fast. But what if we could regenerate only the specific parts that have flaws using predefined animations? I started out with a super simple animation, just a tree, but I hit error after error for such a basic task. I kept trying different troubleshooting steps until I finally reached a point where I got it to work, and the final result actually didn't turn out half bad. That was exactly what I needed, a glimmer of hope. It felt worth pursuing, so I created a simple Swordsman animation with basic character moves and camera sweeps just to test out the camera and motion control. The results were surprisingly good. The movements are solid, and it mimics the action really well. It actually glosses right over the animation flaws I had, like the hiccups issues. Plus, the sound matches the sequence perfectly. Let's re-watch it, but with the sound on this time. But can it actually handle more complex sequences? Well, I had to find out for myself, so I kept on testing. For the next part, I tested out dancing animations. I combined a standard text prompt with just a few simple character and environment references, and the final result was incredibly cool and super satisfying to watch. The final stage was adding 2 dancers to the scene and generating a full 4K video using them. I jumped right back into Blender and mapped out the entire choreography. After that, I rendered a low-quality, low-graphic version of it and jumped straight into Higgsfield. Just like always, I uploaded the characters, the environment, and the motion video, then put in a simple prompt while replacing the placeholders. I set it to 4K and hit Generate. Keep in mind, 4K takes a bit longer to process. On my first attempt, I actually got a sensitive content error, and I immediately knew what the issue was. The characters looked too young. I quickly adjusted the prompt to make them in their mid-30 or 40 and hit Generate again. Next time, I'm going to incorporate more complex fight scenes, and I honestly can't wait to test them out with Seedance 2.5. That's all for this video. Higgsfield provides access to a lot of different models at a fair price in single platform, which you can access by picking up a subscription. Also, if you hurry, you can get 1 month of unlimited Seedance 2 access as well. Thank you for watching.